Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cloudflare WARP activation for Windows Performance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Cloudflare WARP application from the official Cloudflare website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. When prompted, accept the license agreement to continue. Choose the installation directory or leave it set to the default location. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few moments. After installation, launch the Cloudflare WARP application from your desktop or Start menu. You will be greeted with the WARP welcome screen. Click on the toggle switch to activate WARP. If prompted, allow WARP to make changes to your device. Once activated, you'll see a connected status on the main interface. For optimal performance, go into Settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the settings, ensure that the WARP connection mode is selected. You may also want to explore the advanced settings for additional configurations. After making any necessary adjustments, close the settings window. To verify your connection, return to the main interface and check your connection status. You can also test your internet speed to see the improvements in performance. If you face any issues, consider restarting your computer and launching WARP again. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Cloudflare WARP for improved Windows performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.